Hello. In this video, we're going to explore how to create a booklet using Canva. Let's begin by opening Canva and typing booklet into the search bar. After you've entered your search, click on the result. This will bring up a variety of templates for you to browse and choose from. Pick the template that suits your vision for the booklet by clicking on your chosen template. Ready for customization. With your template selected, you can now personalize it to match your style. Feel free to add the text you desire, change fonts, switch out images, and include any graphics that enhance your booklet design. If your booklet consists of several pages, on the left side, you'll find navigation to scroll through pages. Additionally, you have the option to add or edit text as required. By clicking on the Add Page icon, you can add more pages. Once you're satisfied with your design, the next step is to share it. Simply click the Share button when you're ready. And that's how you create a booklet in Canva. Thank you for watching.